Today I was going through some neural networks revisions, and I went through this custom metrics. What happens is it's written over here, losses and metrics are not same thing. Yeah, I'll tell you why. Because loss is what? Loss is nothing but we tell machine learning model how wrong you are. And what we do is we try to reduce the loss. And how we do it? We try to reduce it by updating the weights using basically more data and more training and some better regularization techniques and all. Plus, there is one thing. When you compute the losses, the next step is adjusting the weight, and for the weight adjustment you need the derivative for those losses, and the derivative shouldn't be zero, they should be differentiable in many contexts, even when the weights are nearing the zero, or in the dimension where for example if it is a sigmoid function, its outputs are mostly squashed into 0 to 1 range, and if it is nearing 0 and if it is nearing 1, so it tries to basically squash them near 0 or 1. So sigmoid functions and such derivatives don't aren't very good in all the situations, so we try to prefer functions which are really good at handling this, for example ReLU. So those are differentiable, and they won't stop your training, they won't let your gradient shrink, they won't basically make your learning bad. So that's why the losses are different, and metrics are basically something which is human readable. Basically, sometimes the loss functions are quite complex, you wouldn't be able to figure out what kind of loss is happening. So that's why metrics are developed in order to for humans to observe the errors and all, in order for them to understand. For example, you really understand something in kilograms really well rather than hectares or tons, you wouldn't be able to visualize it very nicely. So it is nothing but the same thing, but conveyed in a different fashion. So readability stays intact. That's why it shouldn't be differentiable. Even if it is not differentiable or it is zero, there is nothing wrong in it. Thank you.